In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some basic sample statistics from a work file. First of all, we're going to read in our work file. So I type read. The work file I'm going to work with is ADV3. So I'm going to open that up. And what I want to look at is the relationship between real advertising expenditures and sales volume. At the moment, I've got nominal advertising expenditure and I've got a price index, COMRAT. So I want to create a new series, so I'm going to define real advertising expenditure to be equal to total advertising expenditure divided by the price index. Now it's always useful to check that we've created a sensible series here, so I'm going to graph the new series and we see that it looks pretty much as we would expect. It grows through time with several peaks here corresponding to boom periods of the economy. Now I want to look at the relationship between this series and the total volume of sales. So the first thing I'm going to do is plot a scatter diagram of real advertising expenditure against sales volume. And this tends to confirm that we've got a pretty strong relationship between these two series here. You can see that they're pretty closely grouped around a straight line here. Now, finally what I want to do is to create a table of sample statistics. So I'm going to type in stats followed by the names of the variables that I want to look at. So I've got real advertising expenditure and sales volume. And this creates a table which gives me the basic sample moments for the two series, the mean, standard deviation, skewness, etc., and also the correlation matrix between them. Here we see that the correlation between real advertising expenditure and sales volume is 0.98, and the number below the correlation coefficient in parentheses is Fisher's t-statistic, and with a value of 33.69 we see that there is in fact a very significant relationship between these two series. That's enough for now, so I'm going to quit the program